Hey, this guy kind of looks like Brett Goodyear. Brett Goodyear. I wonder if he's figured out his 2020 lawn plans yet.
Complicate everything because I just feel like I have to give every single detail. And
hello?
Hey, Brett.
Jordan!
Have you figured out what you're doing on your lawn this year?
Wait. What? I need to have a 2020 plan?
You better figure it out, and quick. Summer's coming fast.
Ah, crap. Okay, bye.
You ready for my video? You ready for my video? We will video. You're ready for my video. Guys, are you watching?
Quick shout out, I want to thank Jordan from Lawn Tools for the awesome help with the intro to this video. All right, so let's jump into the lawn plan for 2020. So the big thing going on here is in my lawn here at home in the front yard, I'm gonna be doing a renovation here in the next few weeks. So in the next few weeks, I'm gonna be spraying my yard with glyphosate, killing all the grass that's there right now, and starting over from scratch. So my plan is I'm going to spray it out, wait 7 days, spray it out again, and then I'm gonna get some topsoil and then fine tune my level real good. Level it real nice. I got this tool right here that's gonna help me to level it out better than what I've been using in the past, which has just been a landscape rake. After I do that, I'm gonna seed with this Barenbrug RPR. So basically what it is, it's a 100% perennial ryegrass mix, and it's the difference between RPR and regular perennial ryegrass is RPR is going to spread, kind of like Kentucky bluegrass. So you get the benefits of perennial ryegrass being quick germination, the tolerance to cut really low, holding stripes really well, and then you also get the benefits of Kentucky bluegrass with it filling in. So the next big thing that I'm really excited about is the project lawn. So one of the things that people have complained about on my channel in the past is that I'm putting down products on a lawn and the lawn already looks good. I've had comment after comment after comment of people saying, put this down on a yard that looks bad. Put this down, your yard already looks good. What about a yard that looks like crap? So I wanted to put it down on a yard that needed some help. So I found a neighbor right down the road who's willing to have me come try things out on their lawn. I say lawn because it's a 1 acre former cow pasture. They had cows in there last year and they don't have any in there this year. So the big thing that I'm gonna be doing this year is I'm gonna be dividing that into like 4,000 to 5,000 square foot pieces, and I'm going to try out lots of different things. So I have a handful of things that I'm already gonna try. If there's anything that you guys wanna see, make sure to leave down in the comments something that you wanna see. So without further ado, let's go check it out. Come on. Welcome to Project Lawn 2020. So what I have here is 40,000 square feet of former cow pasture. It's had cows in it for the last couple of years. They're not having cows this year. So this year I get to try out whatever I want to make this nice. So let's walk it real quick. The best part about the project lawn or pasture project lawn whatever is right here. Check it out. We got irrigation. We got these rainbird rotors all throughout. So I got irrigation over this entire 40,000 square feet. So I'm gonna be able to get water to it. I'm gonna be able to get product on it. And I think we should be able to get it looking pretty good. That's it. So that's all I got for today, folks. If there's anything that you guys wanna see specifically, any specific company, any specific product, any combination of products on the project pasture, project lawn, whatever you wanna call it, feel free to shoot me a comment, write me an email, all that good stuff. So I obviously, funds are gonna determine how much I'm able to put down on this lawn. I have a couple of companies committed already, but if there's anybody else, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to use your product and show it off in an unbiased way on the Project 2020 in the pasture over by there. Over by there, Alan. Anyways, that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.